Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw job descriptions from Indeed into ChatGPT for tailored cover letters, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Indeed website. Use the search bar to input the job title or keywords related to the position you're interested in. Set your location if necessary, to find relevant job postings in your area. Review the list of available job postings and select a position that resonates with you. Click on the chosen job title to view the complete job description. Read through the job description carefully, noting the key responsibilities and qualifications required. Highlight the text or copy the entire job description to your clipboard. Open a new tab and navigate to the ChatGPT website. Log in to your ChatGPT account if prompted. In the input area, begin by pasting the copied job description. Add a brief request for a tailored cover letter based on the job description you pasted. For example, you might write, "Can you create a cover letter for me based on the following job description?" Ensure your request is clear and click Send or press Enter to prompt ChatGPT to generate the cover letter. Review the generated cover letter for personalization opportunities. Add your name, contact information, and any relevant experience that might enhance your application. Make final adjustments to ensure the tone aligns with your personal style and the job you are applying for. Once satisfied, copy the final version of your cover letter for submission. Now you are ready to submit your tailored cover letter along with your application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.